Good morning, students. SJS welcomes you all. Now we are ready with our new topic, that is electric potential due to point charge. Now here I have made a diagram. Look at here. Let us consider a point charge Q. Let a positive point charge, positive point test charge, we can say that, which is situated at a small x distance somewhere. Let up to a point there is electric field. Now we are to do that, we have to bring this positive unit test charge from this point to a point. For this, let us consider and one more thing is there. If it is positive test charge, then the electric field would be outward like this. So if we are shifting it little bit with dx distance, then if we talk about the Coulomb force between Q and Q naught, that can be given like F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon x square. Question number 1. But if we do a small work done dW to take this point charge point unit test charge from this point to dx distance, then it may be given like dW is equal to f dot dx, because work done is equal to force into displacement. So here it can be written like f dx cos 180 degree. What is the value of cos 180? That is minus 1. So it is written like what? dW is equal to minus f dx. Equation number 2. But the total work done to bring this positive test charge from infinity to small r distance, where we are just finding it out from infinite, we are taking it and we are just letting it to a point. So what is that? W becomes integration from infinity to r. What is the limit? We are taking it from infinity to r distance, and this would be dW. This one is question number 3. By question 2 and 3, we get what we are getting here, that is W is equal to integration of infinite to r dW. What is the value of dW? That is f dx. Now here what we are going to do, we are just putting the value of f. What is the value of f? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square. So this would be the value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon x square dx. This can be taken as the value. So here minus sign is also there, so minus sign can be written here. What are the constant values are here? That can be written like 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught is a constant value which cannot be integrated, so it is taken out infinity to r. Here I have taken all those constant outside of the integral sign, and we have got the value of W, this one. What is next? That is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught, and this 1 upon x square can be written like infinity to r x to the power minus 2 dx. It can be integrated on the basis of x to the power n dx. That can be written like what? It can be written like x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here what happened to the next? That is minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught, and this can be written like x to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. This is infinity to r. What is the limit? Infinity to r. Again, this implies that W is equal to what? Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon, when we are solving it out, this becomes minus 1 upon x. Minus 1 upon x. And what is the limit? Infinity to r. On solving it out, when we solve this, what we are going to solve? That W becomes minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught. This minus sign can be taken outside, so this would be plus, because minus minus is plus. This would be 1 upon x infinity to r. What is the limit? Infinity to r. Then W becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught. What is the process of putting the limit? That is, first of all, we have to put the upper limit in place of x, then minus with the lower limit. Clear? What is the sign? If we are writing it here, a power b to c, then it is written like c minus b. Then it is written like c minus b. Look at here. If it is written like a to the power a with the b to c, then it is written like c minus b. Look at here. Moving next, then W becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon r, because 1 upon infinity becomes 0. This one is equation number 4. But electric potential is given as W is V is equal to W by Q naught. We are putting the value of W here. This implies that V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon R to 1 upon Q naught. Q naught cancel out. Then it becomes V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is your result. This is the electric potential due to a point charge. So what we got? V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. What would be the graph between V and R? So look at here the graph. When we are taking Q is greater than 0, then the graph would be like this. This would be indicating R, this would be indicating V, where V is inversely proportional to R, and this can be indicating like electric field E also. So this would be x axis, this would be y axis. But when we are taking Q is less than 0, then the graph would be made in this arc. Then this would be indicating V, this would be indicating R, this would be x, and this would be y. Clear? And this would be indicating V. Clear to you all? Thank you. As this will see you again.